Hi everyone, welcome to another video where we will be learning graphical method to solve the system of linear equations in two variables. My earlier two videos were on substitution method and elimination method, so please check out those videos as well. Let's get started into today's class. My first set of linear equations are x plus y equals 4, 2x minus 3y equals 3. Solving this set of linear equations means finding the value of x and finding the value of y, which will satisfy both these equations simultaneously. And as the name telling you, graphical method, we will be drawing the graphs of each of these lines on the same graph paper, and then we will see where do the lines intersect. The point where the two lines intersect is the solution of this set of linear equation. So let's find the coordinates and points of these two equations to draw the graphs. To find the points to be plotted on the graph, the best way and the easy way is the intercept method. So we will find the x-intercept and the y-intercept of these equations. Now, what is x-intercept and y-intercept? X-intercept occurs, or x-intercept is the point on the x-axis when y is 0. So x-intercept occurs when y is 0 and y-intercept occurs when x is 0. So in my first equation, x plus y equals 4. If I put y as 0, what will be the value of x? This is 0, so it means x is 4. So I will be putting these values in a table called as table of values. So y is 0, so put y as 0. And what do I get? X value, that's 4. So x is 4. Now for y-intercept, put x as 0. So we put x as 0. So in my equation, x plus y equals 4. When I put x as 0, what is y coming out to be? This is just 0. So y comes out to be 4. So y is 4. And so we have two set of points or coordinates to be plotted on the graph paper. Are these 2 points enough to draw a line? Yes, because 2 points are sufficient to determine a line. So, you want to find any third or any extra point, you're most welcome to do so. But when we do the intercept method, this one is the easiest. Like put x 0, find y, put y 0, find x. Now, let's find the x-intercept and y-intercept of second equation. So my second equation is 2x minus 3y equals 3. When I put x as 0, what is my y-intercept? So y-intercept means find the value of y. So put x as 0. So 2 times 0 minus 3y equals 3. 2 times 0 is 0. So minus 3y equals 3. So what is y? Y comes out to be minus 1. So when x 0, y is minus 1. Let's put y as 0 to find the x-intercept. Means to find the value of x. Put y as 0 over here. So 2x minus 3 times 0 equals 3. This is 0. 2x equals 3. It will give me x as 3 divided by 2, x as 1.5. So when y is 0, x is 1.5. And we are done with finding the points which are to be plotted on the graph paper. So let's start drawing the graph. So these were my two equations, and let's put the values which we found on the previous slide. So x4, y0, x0, y4. And my next set of point is x0, y minus 1. And when y was 0, x was 1.5. Now, this is the graph in which I have already plotted the x-axis, y-axis. The point where x and y axis intersect is called origin. The coordinates are 0, 0. This is the positive side of x axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. This is the negative side. This is the positive side of y axis upwards and negative side of y axis downwards. So let's put the points. Now for first equation, when x is 4, y is 0. So where is x4? Here is x4. And where is y0? Here only. Because on x-axis, y coordinates are 0. So x4, y0 is this point. x0, y4. Where is y4? Over here. And where is x0? Here only. Because on y-axis, all the x coordinates are 0. So my first point is this. My next point is this. And now we will be drawing the line. We will be connecting these 2 points with the straight line. Okay, we'll make them straight. All right, all good. Perfect. So let's increase a little bit of weight, like the width of this equation. All right, perfect. So now this is the graph of this line, x plus y equals 4. So I can write it over here, x plus y is equal to 4. Let's do the same with the next one. When x is 0, y is minus 1. So y minus 1 is here, this point, and x is 0 over here. So this is this. And when x is 1.5, y is 0. So where is x 1.5? It will be somewhere over here, like the mid value between 1 and 2. So let's draw the line connecting these 2 points. So we have this one. All right, let's little bit like settle down this equation line. Perfect. So this is the graph for the second equation. 2x minus 3y equals 3. And if you want to write the coordinates at every step, like this was my 4 comma 0 and this was my 0 comma 4. This point was this one, 0 and minus 1. And this point is 1.5 comma 0. All right. So our graph is complete. Now, where do these two lines intersect? You can clearly see that they intersect at this point. And if I draw the perpendiculars on both axes, x coordinate is 3. So this point coordinate is 3. And what is y coordinate? It's 1. So 3 comma 1 is the solution for this system of linear equation. That means x equals 3 and y equals 1 is the solution of this system of equations. Let's do the next one. 2x plus 3y equals 12. 4x minus 2y equals 8. So similarly, we will be finding the x and y intercepts for both these equations one by one. So my first equation is 2x plus 3y equals 12. So for this x-intercept, I will put y as 0. So let's put y as 0. So it will be 3 times 0 and this is 2x equals 12. 3 times 0 is 0. So 2x is 12. So what is x? So 2x is 12. So x comes out to be 6. So this is 6. Now, for y-intercept, put x as 0. So my equation is 2x plus 3y equals 12. So put x as 0. I get this one. 2 times 0 is 0. So 3y equals 12 means y is equal to what? 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is my table of values for this equation. These are my intercepts. For the next one, 4x minus 2y equals 8. Let's repeat the same. For x0, if I put x as 0, so 4 times 0 minus 2y equals 8. This goes away. So minus 2y equals 8. So y is equal to 8 divided by minus 2. That gives me minus 4. So this is minus 4. Put y as 0. So I would get 4x minus 2 times 0 is 8. This is 0. So 4x equals 8. So x comes out to be 8 divided by 4, 2. So my table of values is ready. Let's draw the graph. Okay, for 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, my values were 0, 4, 6, 0. And for my next equation, my values were 0, minus 4, 2, 0. All right, let's plot these values. So x0, y4. So y4, x0 is over here. This point, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is negative side of x-axis, and this is negative side of y. All right, so x0, y4 is this. So let's put this is 0, 4, this one. And 6, 0 means 6 on x-axis and y coordinate 0. That's of course this one. So this is 6 comma 0. So let's draw the line, and our line would be like this. All right, let's adjust the line to pass through these 2 points nicely, neatly. So perfect. So this one is the line for first equation. So I will write 2x plus 3y equals 12. Okay, let's put the arrows. Let's do the next one. X0, y minus 4. So x is 0 and y is minus 4. So over here, this is the point. X is 0 over here and y is minus 4. So x0 and y minus 4 is this point. And then x2, y0. Where is x2? Over here. And y is 0 over here. So this is my point 2 comma 0. Let's again draw the line for this joining these 2 points. Oh, I'm sorry. Where is the line? Here's the line. Okay. So it will be joining like this. Let's adjust the lines so that they can pass through these 2 plotted points. Okay. Need a little bit more precision. All right. Okay. All right. Now from this side. Okay, perfect. So it is now put the arrows, and this is the graph for second equation. 4x minus 2y equals 8. Where are the two lines intersecting here? Okay, let's draw the perpendiculars to determine the x coordinate. What is x coordinate? 3. And draw the perpendicular line falling on the y-axis. What is the y coordinate? 2. So that's the solution. So the solution for this set of linear equation is 3 comma 2. In other words, x3 and y2 is the solution for this set of linear equations. Hope the method is clear to you. This is the graphical method. And now what's next? In the next video, I will be taking one question and I will be solving that question with all the 3 methods like elimination, substitution, graphical method to give you a good comparison between all the 3 methods. Until then, keep learning, keep simplifying. Thank you so much. Good luck. See you in the next one.